Good morning. In this video guys, I'm going to share how I keep longer or store a taro or gabi. In Philippines, we call it gabi, in a freezer para hindi siya mabubulok. Of course guys, you have to prepare a plastic and clean this one. We have to clean like this. Para hindi siya mabubulok guys, kasi ang taro won't last longer in your refrigerator, so you need to put it in a freezer. At yung lasa niya guys, it is not changed. The taste is not changed. It's still taro. Taro. How you pronounce it? Taro. Yan. And then you have to cut it according to your style or ano man ang gusto mo na paghiwa. Pwede mo rin lakihan, depende sa'yo. Pero ako gusto ko liitan. Kasi madali siyang mabulok guys. Yes, as I have said, this won't last longer in the refrigerator, so you have to keep it or store it in a freezer for a longer use. Tama ba? So I have to wash. And then yung may mga bulok-bulok guys, alisin mo yan. And then you have to cut it according to you. For me, I will cut like this. So if I need it, if I want it smaller, I just cut it small. I just want to cut it like that. Marami akong ini-store guys sa freezer, like potato, sweet potato. I cut it into cubes na ginagamit ko for a porridge. So like this guys. Just be careful cutting it because it's quite hard. Ayan na siya guys, and then you have to put it in a plastic, or you have to take off this black color here. Here, you see? You have to take it out, and then put it in a plastic. See? And then ready to put in a freezer like this. Okay? So I'll show you. So ayan guys, yung mga hiniwa-hiwa ko na nilagay ko sa freezer. This one is sweet potato. I cut it into cubes and store here. Sweet potato. This one is carrots. This one is again sweet potato. If I use for porridge, I just take it this here. And this one is also a taro. So I cut it into lengthwise. And I have this new one now. This one, the taro that I cut now into like circle only. So I put again here. So that's one guys. That's all I put here. And even this basil, it's now dry. It's now become a dried basil. I put in a freezer. Luma yung refrigerator na yan guys. Very old na yan, kaya ganyan ang kulay. Ayan. Tapos ito, scallions. I also cut into small and put here in a freezer. So that's all, guys. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!